the chart we got here, so it's the US dollar against the Swiss, the one-day chart. So essentially what we're looking at on here is a range-bound market, pretty much extending back from mid-2023. It's kind of been hitting the resistance point up around the 0.92 mark, with the lower levels sitting about just shy of the 0.84 level. Essentially, that was pretty much holding strong for at least a few years there until last Thursday, where it fully just broke down the bottom level. Pretty much shoot back down. I think it's around 0.81 sort of area. And then, if we just flick over onto the next slide there, we'll be looking at the 4-hour chart for the US dollar, Swiss franc. So we can see it was kind of trending down. This is since the start of April, trending down, hitting the lower resistance mark below the moving average. It's kind of swinging back up, kind of hitting the moving average in the middle there, keeps swinging down, back down to the lower range, up again. So now it's sitting on the lower band down there. So I'm kind of expecting it to swing back up, kind of hit up towards the moving average, and it might even push back up towards that initial break on the resistance spot. I think that's the 0.82 on the daily chart. But yeah, what do you reckon, Jeff? Do you reckon it's going to keep swinging down, or do you reckon it's going to push back?
Oh, I think after a move of this sort of volatility, some sort of backing up is probably to be expected. If I can just switch back to the other chart, I would expect it to come back up to the base of this this prior support. I think we'll probably see a little bit of sideways action first, and then a move up towards, maybe not to touch, but certainly towards that kind of 84-ish level. I mean, for me, what I'd like to do, and I mean that 84 level now is a little bit above those prior lows before there from September. I'd probably want to be looking to sell rallies on this one. It's the one that we used to say is wait for it to bounce up a bit because it is a bit cheap at the moment. Sell a rally with that kind of 0.8425-ish kind of for stops. Dollar Swiss is a funny one because it tends to spend 95% of its time in sideways channels, but when it moves, it really moves hard.